Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes with Tejas Bhambe. Today we have with us on the show CA Aishwarya Gundecha. She is a chartered accountant, of course, and along with that, a motivational speaker, career counselor, and the founder of a Vision World, a center of learning through activity based learning. Most of us have ideas to start our new venture, but we lack the guidance and support, due to which we do not take the right steps and implement our ideas. So today we have with us Aishwarya, who is going to share the strategies for startups once the lockdown is over. To begin with, tell me Aishwarya, is this a good time to start your own startup? If yes, what are the preferred areas or fields for the businesses?
Thank you so much for that introduction. Absolutely. I think this is going to be the best time for the startups to come in. It's going to be a welcoming step for the startup. So, if you have an idea, please come up and develop a product or service and give it to the market. I feel if you have a really good idea, great marketing skills, and the attitude of never give up, then any industry you enter is going to be a very productive field for you. But if we were just to classify a few industries, it could be healthcare sector, which is very promising these days. There is manufacturing sector, which is going to see a boost in India. We've also seen e-commerce industries, FMCGs, which is also prospering a lot in India. Also, we have e-services coming in where one can very easily, with the use of a lot of skills and technology, deliver various services. So I think it's the right time. Get your idea into action, and the market is yours.
That's great that there are a lot of areas to start your own business. But can you please tell us what are the strategies which should apply to start the new business?
Let's very quickly discuss the 5 strategies for a startup. The first one being believe in your idea. Is that a strategy? Yes, it is. You might feel that your idea is not really worthy or great, but you never know. That is the very idea that the market wants you to come out in the form of a product or service. So, believe in your idea and believe in yourself. Second, research and development. Keep doing research about the product or service you wish to deliver to the market. With this, you are going to save a lot of time in the long run and also a lot of failures. Also, constant modifications to the product will also help you to sustain in the market, and your product would also be liked as it will suit the market demand. Third, technology. Technology is going to shape and reshape the business. So make the most finest use of technology. Social media is a great platform to let your customers and people around you know about your products, services, and new ideas you wish to implement. Also, technology can be a great platform to get feedbacks and make constant surveys. Fourth, and very important, is finance. You need to be really good with dealing with finance. So it is equally important to make budgets, have plans, and set your expenditure and income statement. With this, you will have an idea of how to manage your finances during the long run. Also, it is equally important to cut on the unnecessary expenditures. Fifth, and the most important of all, is focus on delivering value. Value needs to be delivered to the market, for it is the value that is going to be remembered. You will be recognized for the value that you have provided to the market.
Yes, sure. We will remember these 5 strategies. But Aishwarya, considering the current economic condition, can you please tell us that how should we sustain in the long term?
Absolutely. Now, this is going to be a question for so many people altogether. But what I personally feel is if you really focus on delivering value, if you focus on giving complete value to the market, then your product or service is definitely going to be recognized in the market. And this is how you're going to start gaining your customers and their belief. So I feel you have to be really, really action oriented. Be patient. The time may seem tough. It may seem that situation is going out of control, but be action oriented. Go for a lot of networking, continuously take customer feedbacks, and also focus on delivering the product that the market wants. So you need to be a person who delivers the product that the market wants rather than delivering the product that you have. So that's going to be a secret mantra to sustain in the long term, to constantly modify your product as per the customer demands and have that attitude of never give up.
Yes, all those who wish to start their own firm will definitely focus on providing value to the customers and consumers, which will surely help them grow. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for providing valuable information, which was based on your own experiences. It will definitely be a guiding light for many. Thank you so much.